Alright, to correct this T0 files dates, you're gonna just see the date, you're gonna drag it into a TBC blank file and you can monitor and see that the dates have been changed. You can also check your receiver type that you're gonna do. We are then gonna open that file in a Rhinex or convert to Rhinex, which comes with your TBC. Open convert to Rhinex, open the file that you're going to use. So in this case, we're going to use one of these files that we've saved, a T01 file. I'm going to open it and it will give me all the information on that T01 file. I will then just go to File, Convert, and close that run Rhinex, and this will then create these three files in that folder for you. To make it easier, I just take those three files and I put them in a separate folder. So create a new folder and we're gonna name it some of the same file name. And then we copy, drag and drop it in there. All right. So now if we go back to our Trimble Business Center, we are now going to edit these three files in Notepad++, which you can download for free, to change the actual dates on there. So right click on it, edit in Notepad++, and you will then see that there is your dates reflected there. So some of these dates might be correct, some might not be, and this is where it's going to be up to you to make sure that these are correct. That's why we prefer the client self to do it. Let's just open all three of those files and we can make sure that they are all the same. So we're going to open that one and then also this one. Okay, so now we can see that these dates are different. They are now the 05 dates. So we're going to select that portion. We're going to highlight that. And then we're going to go and say, we're going to replace that date with the corrected date. I'm going to go to replace. And then we put in the corrected date in there. And then we will just say replace all. And you will see that it will change all of the dates in that folder that is in that same format. Okay. Do that for all three files. Make sure that your dates is correct. You're going to do the same, highlight, and then go to replace and let's make sure the date is there. No, not just replace all. And then we will see that all of our dates is replaced. And save each file afterwards. All right, we can now close Notepad++ and go back to Trimble, and then we can go and drag and drop in here. Oh, no, okay, that won't work. So let's go into that. We'll drag them in individually. You'll see that one loaded fine. This one loaded fine. And this one, it goes in. And now you will see that the dates are changed, and you will also notice the times that we will find. So this is where it's difficult for us to change this, because this is what you will get from the field. You must check that the times that you've captured the data in field are correct. Otherwise, you have to change that in the T0 file with Notepad++ as well. Okay,